friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning and decorating the front porch for summertime. So I am starting off by sharing with you a before look at the porch. This is kind of how everything has looked since early spring, and it is time to take down these pastel colors, give everything a really good cleaning, because as you can see right here, we already have spiders making webs and everything is covered in pollen. And so we're going to clean everything really good and then spruce it up for the summer season, which is, in my opinion, one of the best times to have a front porch, at least here in the South. I want to thank you guys for joining me for today's video, and thank you so much to everyone who watched and liked and commented on my last few videos where I did my lemon decor. You guys really loved those videos, and I'm so glad. I absolutely love the lemon decor. It has become one of my favorites, I think, throughout the house. It's just so cohesive and bright and cheery, and we're actually going to be bringing that lemon theme out here onto the front porch today. So the day that I filmed the cleaning portion, which as you can see, I'm really just going to take everything I can off the porch, because we're going to actually hose everything down, hose down the surface of the porch and then all the furniture as well to get all the pollen off. But I was out here in my shorts and my t-shirt. It was really warm on this day, and there were actually some storms blowing in this afternoon, so it was just a really pleasant day to be out here and to have the hose out and just get everything really nice and clean. So my summer front porch is one of my favorite videos to make every year. It is so much fun, and this is the first time that I've ever done a summer front porch video here in this house. We have officially been in this house just over a year now, and this time last year I had just moved into this house. We had a 3-month-old and our my 5-year-old, he was 4 at the time. But anyways, so life was a little hectic last summer, but here we are. We've been here a year, and it just feels so good to be settled here. And yeah, anyways, I'm really excited to spruce up the front porch today. But while I am cleaning, I wanted to kind of chat with you guys about my summer YouTube plans. So the school year is officially over here in East Tennessee. My kids aren't even in school yet. My oldest does start kindergarten this fall, but basically during the school year, my mom kept my boys a couple days a week just to give me time to run errands, make my videos, have some alone time, that kind of thing. And now that it's summer, she's not keeping any kids anymore, because my sister and her husband are teachers, so they're out, so they are keeping their kids at home. So I'm doing the same. Long story short, this summer my uploads may be a little less. I usually try to post one video a week, but I'm not even gonna really hold myself to that schedule this summer. I will try to upload as often as I can, but I really just want to enjoy the summer, and this will be like the last few weeks that I have Grant home with me full time before he starts kindergarten. So I really just want to enjoy this time. I definitely will be making some patriotic decor videos. Those will be out in June, sometime before the 4th of July. And then I hope to have my master bedroom makeover video done. It's pretty much done. I really just need to finalize the decor in there and share the space with you guys. So that's what we have to look forward to this summer, but maybe I'll film a couple of day in the life videos and just share kind of what we're up to. But anyways, I'm just looking forward to a really relaxed and fun summer, and I hope you guys are as well. So as you can see here, I have pulled out the water hose and I'm just spraying down the surface of the porch floor, just getting all the dust and pollen. There was a layer of pollen all over everything. Here in East Tennessee, we just have lots of pollen in the spring. And so anyways, I'm also going to spray off all of the porch furniture. I like to just bring it down into the front yard and line it up. And I'm just going to spray it with the hose. Ideally, I would have probably liked to use the pressure washer, but ours is not working at the moment. I think we just need to get a new one. So I'm just using the water hose and it worked pretty good. Like nothing was super, super dirty. But I'm going to make a note here. If you notice kind of at the bottom right of the screen, you can see the landscaping. Please do not pay attention to the landscaping in my videos. We have a lot of plans to change the landscaping in this house, but that like bright greenish yellow, also brown stuff is creeping Jenny. And the previous owner of this house planted it here at the front porch as a ground cover, and it has really taken root and spread immensely, and it is just like a thick web of vines through the landscaping. And so I had my husband spray it because I'm trying to kill it, and like I want to rip it out of there because I just don't like the way it looks in the landscape. I've had creeping Jenny in pots before, love it as a trailing plant, but definitely not in the landscape. So again, don't pay attention too much to the landscaping. We're just focusing on the porch today. So we are going to plant up all of my flower pots for the front porch, and I purchased this huge pack of impatiens at Walmart. I think there are 20 individual plants in this pack, and it was under $10 for the whole pack. Such a good deal. And I have used impatiens on my front porch for the past few years because they're such an easy shade plant and they have always performed really well for me. My front porch stays shaded almost all day. At the very end of the evening, around maybe like 6 o'clock, it'll get just a little bit of sun, but not really, because then the sun dips down below the trees on the other side of the street from us. And so it's pretty much full shade all the time. So I definitely have to have a good shade plant on the porch. And this pack was a variety pack. There's the coral orange color, white, and then a kind of pinkish purple. And so I'm doing just combining them in pots in different ways, different combinations, and we're going to just fill the porch. I used literally every flower pot that I had, and I then even gave some of these flowers over to my mom. So we have lots of flowers on the front porch, and when they get so big later this summer, it's going to be beautiful. I can't wait. Okay, so fast forward a couple of days, and now the porch is all clean and everything is set up, and we are ready to start decorating. So as I said earlier, we are carrying the lemon theme out here on the front porch. I love this for early summer. It's just a bright pop of color here against our house. And then we will switch to patriotic decor, like I said, later in June for the 4th of July. I'm using this cute little yellow layering rug here at the front door. I purchased this a couple years ago at Walmart. It was really inexpensive, but it's just a perfect pop of color to go with that lemon wreath on the door. And you may notice that, yes, this is my summer front porch video, and I'm wearing pants and long sleeves. We had a crazy, random little cold snap in May, and it was chilly out on this day. It was in the 60s and very breezy and just chilly because I was here shaded on the front porch. So yeah, even though it looks like it's not summer, trust me, it is hot now. We've had lots of days in the 80s and lots of rain actually here in East Tennessee, which is good because we were so dry all spring. But yes, we are ready for some hot days so we can sit out here and drink sweet tea and enjoy the front porch. I purchased this big fern at Walmart. For the past few years, I have really enjoyed having a fern on my front porch, and this black urn is the perfect place to have a big fern like that. I love the look of that. It's such a statement here on the front porch, and I really love it. I'm going to put some more flowers here around the front door as well for a pop of color. Okay, one thing about me is that I love to switch out the pillows on my front porch for each holiday or season. And I have had these lemon pillow covers. They're from Amazon. I've had them for so many years. And I just buy the 16 by 16 size off of Amazon, and they fit perfectly over the $5 outdoor pillows at Walmart. So that's just what I like to do. And so I had these two small ones here, and then we're going to use some larger pillows over in the rocking chairs. Okay guys, how cute is this planter? I picked it up at an antique store earlier in the spring, and yes, it's chippy and rusty, but I love it. It is so cute, and it's going to be so pretty with the flowers all season long. The pillows I'm using in the rocking chair are actually Ray Dunn lemon themed outdoor pillows I picked up years ago at Home Goods, I think. And then we're just gonna add flowers here, and that is gonna be all for the decorating today. So I'm gonna share all the final looks of my summer front porch with you, and I hope you guys really enjoy. Okay, my friends, that is going to be all for today's summer front porch clean and decorate with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video and that it gave you some ideas on how you can spruce up your outdoor spaces for the upcoming summer season. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you very soon in a brand new video. Bye!